Today I'm showing you how to download free, copyright-free music on your Android phone. Let's get started. Important notes. Always download music from legitimate copyright-free sources. This tutorial focuses on legal, royalty-free music websites where artists provide their music for free. Step 1. Open web browser. Open your preferred web browser on your Android device, Chrome, Firefox, or Samsung Internet. Step 2. Visit legitimate copyright-free music site. Navigate to a legitimate copyright-free music site. Popular options include Free Music Archive, YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay Music, Incompetech, Bensound. Type the website address in your browser's address bar. Step 3. Navigate to Music or Audio section. Once on the website, look for the Music or Audio section, swipe left or scroll through the menu options and tap on Music or Browse Music. Step 4. Browse available songs. A list of available songs will display on the page. You can scroll through the music library to explore different genres, moods, or artists. Step 5. Search for a specific song, optional. If you're looking for a specific song or genre, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type the song name, artist, or genre like jazz, electronic, or acoustic and press search. Step 6. Select your song. Browse the results or music list and tap on the song you want to download. This opens the song's detail page. Step 7. Preview the song. Most sites let you preview the song before downloading. Tap the play button to listen and make sure it's what you want. Step 8. Tap the download icon. Once you've chosen a song, look for the download icon. It usually looks like a downward arrow. Tap on it to start the download. Step 11. Choose download location. A pop-up may appear asking where you want to save the file. Select Downloads folder or choose a specific location like Music folder. Then tap OK or Save. Step 10. Wait for download. The download begins. Depending on the file size and internet speed, this takes a few seconds to a minute. You'll see a download notification in your notification bar. Step 11. Open Files app. In the Files app, tap Downloads or Internal Storage-Downloads to find your downloaded songs. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded free, copyright-free music on your Android phone legally and safely.